हाइड्रोलिक्स तकनीक की कार्यप्रणाली और उसके विभिन्न पहलुओं से बाल्को अधिकारियों को अवगत कराने के लिए एक कार्यशाला हुई। इसमें बाल्को अधिकारियों को हाइड्रोलिक्स संबंधी महत्वपूर्ण जानकारियां दी गई। इसका संचालन अहमदाबाद के विशेषज्ञ श्री एस.जी. केलशीकर ने किया। वे प्रसिद्ध कंपनी बॉश रेक्सरॉथ से संबद्ध हैं।
बाल्को लर्निंग सेंटर में हाइड्रोलिक्स पर आधारित कार्यशाला का उद्घाटन बाल्को अध्यक्ष श्री प्रमोद सूरी ने किया। उन्होंने बाल्को की विभिन्न इकाइयों के युवा इंजीनियरों से कहा कि कार्यशाला उनके हाइड्रोलिक्स संबंधी तकनीकी ज्ञान में इजाफा करेगी। उन्होंने बताया कि बाल्को प्रबंधन अधिक से अधिक ऐसी कार्यशालाओं को आयोजित करने के लिए तत्पर है जिनसे अधिकारियों की कार्यक्षमता में इजाफा होता है।
Our entire approach towards the training and development is undergoing a big transformation. Earlier we used to have some sort of a compliance that 2 man days training per employee per year was the norm used to be discussed. But now what I am finding that with the efforts of our HR, especially the training department and also the operation teams, we are organizing a lot of programs which are of real value addition to all of us. So my only advice to you people is that please make full use of it, because whatever you learn in this program will definitely going to help you a lot, because your learning will be more of practical. I am sure most of you during your engineering had a course or a subject on hydraulics, which most of you must have forgotten now back. But now when you are daily using it, when you are working on those machines, working on those systems, your learning needs to be very focused and specific related to that particular system or area. And it's a great opportunity which company has organized for you people. Now it is on you to make best use of it.
कार्यक्रम के विशिष्ट अतिथि ऊर्जा प्रमुख श्री शरद गोयल ने कहा कि युवा इंजीनियरों के लिए कार्यशाला एक बेहतरीन अवसर है। इससे उनका आधारभूत ज्ञान और मजबूत होगा। कार्यशाला के समापन अवसर पर पॉट रूम उपाध्यक्ष श्री डी.के. सिंह ने उम्मीद जताई कि 3 दिवसीय कार्यशाला से मिली जानकारियों के आधार पर युवा इंजीनियर अपना कार्य बेहतरीन तरीके से कर सकेंगे।
So you people are real milestones for this company, and it is responsibility of the Vedanta management to groom you and train you so that your skills are further sharpened and you give better results. This hydraulic training and so many other training programs which are organized by our learning center, they are part of this drive which our company is carrying out. Particularly this hydraulic training is very important. It is something like electrical circuits. Similarly, hydraulic circuits are also there. Like current flows in different lines for different equipment operation. Similarly, oil flows in the hydraulic circuit. And troubleshooting is equally systematic. The way you troubleshoot any electrical circuit, same fundamental applies with hydraulic circuit also. But yes, hydraulic circuit has got so many other things because we have got fluid flowing inside. So a lot of corrective actions, good quality fittings, good quality materials, good quality hardware that is required so that it doesn't spill out. As I gave this example to Sachin, which is happening in our PTMs. That's the really glaring point where we should attack and we should rectify this problem. But now with this training, we can assure you that this drive will continue, and the feedback that you people have given, excellent feedback about the program which has been conducted by our facilitator. I hope that you must have definitely learned a lot and it will give us very good results.
मानव संसाधन सह उपाध्यक्ष श्री आर्य कृष्ण कुमार ने कहा कि सीखने की प्रक्रिया निरंतर चलती रहती है। ऐसी कार्यशालाएं कंपनी और कर्मचारियों के विकास की दृष्टि से अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण है। पॉट रूम महाप्रबंधक श्री अविनाश राय ने कहा कि प्रतिभागियों को हमेशा ऐसे आयोजनों का लाभ उठाना चाहिए। उन्होंने कार्यशालाओं को अधिक लाभप्रद बनाने के लिए युवा अधिकारियों से सुझाव के आदान प्रदान की अपील की।
Always try to utilize this sort of opportunity to build up on your career. That's what we put in all the efforts so that all-round development of yours happen. But it cannot be one way where it is only thinking on our part that we need to impart training. All these training programs are organized based on the feedback what we receive from you all only. Wherever we feel a lack of a skill, wherever you all come up with the suggestions, this is an area where we are weak at. So it's always a combined effort which is being put by all of us in development of you as well as the organization.
हाइड्रोलिक्स पर आधारित कार्यशाला के समापन अवसर पर बाल्को अधिकारियों ने कार्यशाला के उत्कृष्ट प्रतिभागियों को पुरस्कृत किया। पुरस्कृत प्रतिभागी हैं श्री विजय कुमार साहू, श्री सुनील एस कुमार और श्री पवन एम पाटिल। श्री कृष्ण कुमार ने श्री केल शिकर को स्मृति चिन्ह भेंट कर सम्मानित किया।